most of you already know that we set a record out in the Bonneville Salt Flats in 2024 in a Rocket 3. and some of you that have been following the site know that in 2023 we took a Rocket 3 out and made a couple runs, then we crashed. I'm going to show you just a little bit of that from the bike angle. And this is all I had until recently. And luck having it was my GoPro 7 wasn't working, so I couldn't download from the GoPro 7 to my computer, so I had to take the SIM card out. And when I downloaded the SIM card, I found the drone footage from that crash. So I'm going to put the 2023 23 seconds actually of the footage from the drone angle, and I'm going to add some of the sound from the bike itself and try to match it up to the thing so you can hear that, because there's nothing from the drone itself. So hopefully you enjoy this. I was really surprised to find this, and here it is. Well, the drone footage sure did give me a different perspective. Put a couple stills in here along with it. It's hard to watch. Tune in next time. We're going to be showing Roy's new airplane. He's one of my riding buddies. And one of my other riding buddies, George, goes with us. George is 82 on a ride. Thanks for joining us. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.